Hi there, for this video, we'll be showing you how to edit your contacts on Mailchimp. Now, as soon as you log in, you'll be straight up on your dashboard in the home page. Now, I would like to emphasize this is the free version, so it may look a bit different from a paid version, and there are certain features that I don't have here. There are ways to get straight to your contact list on the left-hand side, but the fastest way is go to Audience. This is how it would look like. Just click on Audience, and you'll be taken here. Now, for example, you'd like to remove certain contacts. The fastest way to do it would be to tick these boxes here, or if you want to select the whole page, you can just click on the top box, just like in Gmail or something, and then you can press these three buttons here and delete. And if you want to specifically add a note, you can write a note here. You can even see their performance, and you can also edit their names and their address. And in the same way, you can also add contacts by importing them, but for this video, I'll show you how to add a single contact. Now, all you need is to input their email, for example, and none of the other fields are required. You just need the marketing permissions, which you have to check these two boxes here. And once you add, it will automatically be in your contact list. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, maybe you can like and subscribe, maybe ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new stuff. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.